Hello and welcome to Yoga with Glenn. I'm Glenn. Today I have a meditation that's perfect for resetting your mind and body and getting you ready for the day. Please hop to some comfy clothes, find a comfortable seat, and let's get started. Let's find that comfortable seat. I'm seated on a yoga bolster. If you would like to sit on the ground cross-legged, grab a bolster, some pillows, whatever makes you most comfortable. If you're going to sit in a chair, ideally sit with your spine upright. Now let's establish our breath. It's important. It's something you can always come back to if you get lost in thought, and it's important to breathe fully, both in and out of meditation. So start by sitting nice and upright, of course. Exhale, let everything go. Inhale from the belly, pushing the belly button out, expand the ribs, lift the chest, and then exhale. Let everything go. Really pull that belly button back in. And inhale, belly button out, ribs expanding, chest lifting, and then exhale, chest, ribs, belly, all the way in. A nice full breath. And from here you can relax the eyes closed and begin to bring awareness to your body, awareness to the space around you. If there's noises, things happening around you, it's okay. These aren't distractions, it's just life passing you by. Now focus in on your own body. If your ankles are crossed, what is that feeling? You feel pressure somewhere, relief elsewhere. Moving up, feel the lower leg, the upper leg, feel the skin stretching against the muscle, against the bone. Moving up to the hips, feel the weight of your body, your hips taking the weight of your body. Is the pressure even? Is it off to one side? Can you gently fix it if you like? And bring awareness to the effort it takes to hold your torso upright. Where is there tension? Where is it relaxed? Moving on to your shoulders. Are they relaxed? Are your arms relaxed? Your hands resting gently on your knees? What effort does it take to hold your arms in this space? Moving the attention to your neck, to the head. What effort do we need to hold our head upright? Now on to the face. Hopefully it doesn't take much to close the eyes. But are the eyebrows sort of squinted? Can we relax them? Can we relax the jaw? Can the tongue relax into the lower palate? Do we need to hold any tension on our face for this meditation? If something in your body can be relaxed, I invite you to relax it now. Hold tension where there needs to be, and then relax everything else. Now as you breathe here, I want you to imagine waves crashing against the sand. Gentle wave, nothing too big, too intense. Visualize it in your mind, the waves crashing in, going back out to the ocean. Another wave crashes. Can you imagine what that sounds like? Keep a steady rhythm of these waves. See the waves crash in, hear them, and then watch them go back out. Now with each wave coming in against the sand, imagine this wave going through your body. As the wave crashes, it knocks around any tension, stress, negativity, any ill thoughts. And as the wave goes back out, it's a good chance to invite positivity, happiness, joy. Each wave that comes in and goes back out, let it carry everything negative, anything you might be dreading about today or this week, and invite positive thoughts. Take some time to keep letting those waves crash in and carry all the negativity out. Wherever you are, lost in the thought of the waves washing over you, release those thoughts and return to the breath. Fulfilling inhale, gentle exhale. If you'd like, you can relax the eyes open. I invite you to carry these thoughts of positivity, calm, happiness, joy. Carry them with you throughout your day today. If any time you need a moment, just remember the wave analogy. Just allow these waves to carry off anything that you don't like. Let's take one last breath together to close out this practice. And with an inhale, we'll circle the arms up. Touch the palms overhead, and then exhale, bring the hands down to heart center. The light in me sees and recognizes the light in you. Namaste.